Good evening. Today I'm going to show the review firing test, but not the unboxing because I have already unboxed it a long time ago. So this is a NERF LED Strongarm. I choose the elite version of it, white, blue. Okay. This blaster came out a long time ago. So I'm going to do a firing test over that door, as you can see. Okay, so firstly I'm gonna show you what this blaster is, what kind of things it can do. This is a blaster to release it doesn't come with the magazines. It comes with this six elite darts. So how to put the 6 elite darts? You have to press here, pull here, and just allow the darts to come inside our revolver. Yeah, I mean Strongarm. Now, to do this, but the coolest way I do in NERF Wars is like this. Okay, that's how I do it. It's not a flyable blaster. It has attachment here, tactical rail. You cannot add here. You must pull this back forward and then you shoot. Very simple. Also, you can do slam fire mode, which means that hold the trigger and do like this. Okay, so we're going to do a real firing test. I mean, not real, I mean NERF firing test. Here we go. I'm going to shoot over there. Okay, let's start. So I'm gonna fire 3 darts normally, and another 3 darts mistake fire. Now it's 2. Now it's 3. Now slam fire mode. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do now 6 like normally, and then again reload, and then stack fire mode. Okay, let's start. You can see nothing left here. Now we're going to do the slam fire mode again. How much darts do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do it really fast. As much as I can. Very fast. Now I'm going to do slow but slam fire mode. Okay. So we are done with the firing test. I'm not gonna show what kind of a distance the dart goes. I just fired at my Android door, so you can see just normally. Actually, it fires up to, I don't know how much, but it's around like 80 feet. Okay, so we're done with the NERF Strongarm video. Thanks for watching.